retail trading realities, and this video is about how to access all 4 Momentum Trend expert advisors for free. But first of all, disclaimer time. So disclaimer, past profits and backtest results do not guarantee future returns. Retail Trading Realities Limited cannot guarantee any future profits for our clients or for ourselves. Leverage CFD trading carries significant risks. Do your own research. Never risk money you cannot afford to lose. This product is not available for customers who are residents or nationals in countries where CFD trading is banned. USA, Belgium, Hong Kong, North Korea, and anywhere else where CFD trading is banned. Where we offer our expert advisors for free, Retail Trading Realities Limited, as an introducing broker, brackets IB, collects a percentage of the spread and commissions on every trade. So that's the disclaimer done. Okay, so like this video again is about how to access all 4 Momentum Trend expert advisors for free. So the first thing you need to do is actually look around the website. So look at our live results, look at our back tests, find out how the algorithm works, have an overall look around of the website. And then what you want to do is click the menu where it says how to get algo for free. So click on that and it will take you here. And what you'll see is says forexvps.net, and you can see the expert advisors here. You can get access to all 4 EAs for free. That's crypto, stocks, forex, and gold EAs in 4 simple steps. So step number 1 is to sign up to one of our broker partners via this link here. So we'll right click that. It will take you to the brokers page. We've got 3 brokers. We've got IC Trading, that's UK, European Union clients. We've got IC Markets Global, that's UK clients as well, Asia, Africa, Middle East, but it's not for European Union clients. And then we've got Teletrade, and Teletrade allows cent accounts. So cent accounts allow you to multiply your deposit by 100. So like, let's say that you've only got $200 to deposit, it will multiply your account balance to 20,000. So after you choose which broker suits your needs, you go to step 2 and you create a new live MetaTrader 5 account. And then after you do that, you submit the web form below. So like there's a web form here below on this page. This form is also on the brokers page as well. And then after that, you can take up our VPS offer with forexvps.net. We're offering a monthly VPS for $24 a month instead of the regular price of $29 a month. And when you purchase via this link here, taking up our VPS offer, it's going to redirect us. So yeah, as you can see, we have a partnership with forexvps.net. When you purchase it through here, your VPS will already have the expert advisors on the desktop with all instructions, and also all partner brokers MetaTrader 5 terminals already pre-installed. Now, if you already have your own VPS, then you can skip step 4. You don't need to purchase a VPS through us. We will email you the EAs. Just include a message in the form below. So like under notes, just say, I don't need a VPS. Could you like send me the EAs by email, please? And we'll do that for you. How that works is when you create a new MetaTrader 5 account and submit that new MetaTrader 5 account number to us, that account number will be put on the allowed list, and that allowed list will enable your expert advisor. One more thing is that if you just want the VPS and you don't want to use our expert advisors, so you just want to take up the offer of $24 a month, you can go ahead and do that, because the server will still work without using our EAs, and it's still a good offer, $24 a month instead of $29 a month. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money in our affiliate program, so you want to stick around for that.